am Sishir Kumar Sahu, lecturer in Applied Electronics and Instrumentations. My subject is fiber optics instrumentations. My topic is the left out course which was not covered due to lockdown period, that is fiber optical splicing. Today we will know what is splicing. What do you mean by slicing? We will discuss about the slicing and various steps taken for slicing. Fiber splicing is that a permanent joint formed between two individual optical fibers. A permanent joint formed between two individual optical fibers. As you know that optical fibers is required for communication purpose. For long distance, to spread the optical fiber, we want to join two optical fibers. As you know that fiber is made of glass and it's like hair. So for forming that, frequently it is used to establish long haul optical fiber links. That means why it is needed? Now it is needed to establish long haul optical links where smaller fiber lengths need to be joined, and there is no requirement for repeated connection disconnection. Its main advantages is that it is not required for repeated connection and disconnections, so that we are doing the optical fiber splicing for long haul link establishments. Another thing, splices may be divided into two broad categories, that is, one is your fusion splicing and another is your mechanical means. Fusion splicing or welding, another is your mechanical splicing. These are fusion splicing and or welding and mechanical splicing. All these techniques seek to optimize the spatial performance through both fiber and a preparation and alignment of the two joints fiber. What do you mean? Now, while we are joining two fibers, that joining, while doing that, it should be aligned. That's why आम जाने जेहेतु फाइबर हूँ हेयर टाइप तार प्रॉपर अलाइनमेंट दरकार, तेणुक दीटा फाइबर को अलाइनमेंट कले, दीटा एंड को फाइबर को अलाइनमेंट कले तापरे we will use the techniques fusion splicing or mechanical means. By using that two techniques, we can join these two fiber ends. That's why it is through both fiber end preparation and alignment. Another thing that its insertion loss is very less and it is between 0.1 to 2 decibel. It is between 0.1 to 2 decibel. The insertion loss is between 0.1 to 2 decibels. That's splicing, the process of joining two ends that I have already told you, and it is using electric arc or mechanical means. Electric arc means by fusion technique. Then splicing is a complicated procedure, requires skilled manpower. For doing that splicing, the person who is splicing that, he should be a skilled person. Rather, the accurate splicing cannot be done and the communication losses will be there. We should completely clean up the gel component when the cable end is stripped for termination. जब आम केबल एंड को टर्मिनेट करने जीवा ताले we will clean the end of that cable completely. Then the necessary tools and accessories required for that splicing is cleaver. Then these are the tools for splicing. This is your splicing machine and this is your profile arcle. This is your cutter. These are the accessories are splicing machine, cleaver, cable cutter, isopropyl alcohol. That is shown to you in figure. This is the machine, splicing machine. This is that alcohol. This is the cutter, and this is the cleaver. These are the machines or tools required for the splicing. What is fusion splicing? Fusion splicing is that the ends of the fiber cable will be heated to the extent of its fusion, point, so that the fusion splices are shown in that figure. Splicing, the practice of joining two fibers together without using any fiber connectors. Its main advantage is that we are not using any fiber connectors to join both the fibers, as we are joining water pipe with the connectors. But while we are joining the optical fiber cable, we are not using that fiber connectors. We are doing it by that fusion technique and mechanical means. The fusion splicing of single fibers involves heating of the two prepared fiber ends. First we will prepare the two fiber cables ends, and that will be cleaned and that will be aligned in a machine. After aligning, then we will heat the two ends of that prepared fiber ends to the fusing point with the application of a sufficient axial pressure. Between the two optical fibers. While heating to that prepared ends of the optical fibers, it will be heated to the extent of the fusion point of that fiber, and with a application of sufficient axial pressure between the two optical fibers. That is the main thing. It is therefore essential that the strip, that is of cabling and buffer coating fiber ends, are adequately positioned. By this technique, we will position the ends through that alignment, and we will achieve good continuity of the transmission medium at the junction point. If we will align that and we will heat that two prepared ends of the cable, and heating is to the extent of the fusion point of that end of that cable, then it will have a good continuity of the transmission. It will have the good continuity of the transmission medium at the junction point. Hence, the fibers are usually positioned and clamped with the aid of an inspection microscope. Because I have told you, it is made of glass and it is like our hair, so that microscope is used for positioning the ends of the fiber and also clamping the ends of the fiber in a optical fiber machine. Next, we will have these fusion splicer, fusion optical cleaver, heat shrink tube. This is the electric arc we are giving here for two ends of the fiber to be joined, so that this is a permanent joint formed between two individual fibers. Next, these are another thing, flame heating sources such as microplasma torches, argon and hydrogen, micro burners. These are for heating the two ends of the prepared end of the optical fibers. Another is we are applying the electric arc for heating to that two ends of the prepared optical fibers. Next, another methods I have told you, there are two methods, there are two techniques. One is fusion splicing, another is mechanical splicing. Mechanical splicing means fibers are held in alignmentally we will held it, and by some mechanical means, by some, just like just I am to make you understand that while doing a job in a mechanical workshop, that job is put into a vice for doing the job there. सेमती जो जॉब टाक आम भाइस रखिक जॉब टाक करती आम अलाइनमेंट करने स्प्लाइसिंग मशीन रे आम टू एंड्स ऑफ द फाइबर को रखिक वी आर अलाइनिंग दैट टू एंड्स and positioning to each other for joining. Then we are hitting the two end of that prepared end of that optical fibers. Then we are using here tubes around the fiber ends, tube splices, glass or ceramic capillary also used for mechanical means. Using grooves into which the buttered fibers are placed, groove splices. Another thing I want to explain you here, that fusion technique and mechanical means are there for joining two ends of the optical fiber to establish fiber links in a long distance, so that we may also have some cutting point. Some joints are to repair that also we are using this technique. For cutting of that fiber cable, we are using this technique for joining to that optical fibers. Next we will have, next class we will discuss about different methods of mechanical means for joining to end fiber ends, and if you have any query, if you have any doubt, then you may contact me in my WhatsApp number, that is here 9438014573, and next class we will discuss about different probable questions to be there in optical fiber instrumentations, and we will clarify your doubts in the next class. Thank you.